Hey Aaron, guess what? We are gonna do truck shopping, a vehicle customizing. The, no, we are gonna look for vehicles, just for no reason. It's just a chill thing. Um, I got two auction places that I like. Um, I got something caught in my eye. Something caught in my eye. I am just trying to look for it. Oh, I didn't know where was this. Um, I just want to make sure. Okay. Um, last update is okay. Keys, yes. Fuel is a gasser. Uh, wheel drive. Engine type 6 point, 6.0 liter V8. Yellow. Um, wow. Yeah, that could be a good vehicle for someone, but it's not my type. Ooh. I really wish I could. I really wish I could start bidding on this one because this truck looks clean. I mean, clean. Um, no. Well, then I have to take a look. Oh, wow. Short bed, single cab. Um, a push snowplow mechanism up front. Is there a man? It is a man. Yep, it's a V8. And, yep. Okay. We're gonna keep looking. Can you imagine this? Oh, wow. It's a 2003 GM's. Okay. But the inside is probably looking clean in there. Or dirty, I don't know. You never know. But that looked good. Clean. Oh my gosh. Oh, looks like a big old tow truck. But it's not. Um, okay, let's just keep on going. Um, all this is coming a lot. Come on. What does that mean? We're just here to chill and talk. I'm just here to chill and talk. And it's not bad for homeless. Uh, mm, ooh, ooh. No. Well, come on. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Uh, it's a pretty nice track, but I am. Oh, okay. Hmm. Does it 11 out? Oh wow. I think this truck is. Yeah, that truck is gone. I am gonna go ahead. Well, yeah, there's. If I have enough. If I could bid on this one. Oh, yeah, this. If I bid on this van, I guarantee you it will be pretty cool after. It won't be pretty cool. I don't know what. it's something if I will be bidding on that. If I won, I have to put more money to bring it to my place. You know? Um, huh. Pretty much these old newer vehicles are too newer for me. If I want to build a, you know what, I will tell you. If I have enough money, if I want to build a gaming thing, a gaming setup, I am telling you this. I'm gonna transform. You know, everyone always using their race car, using their race game, always with the steering wheel and everything. Yeah. Oh, now. Yeah, I am trying to think about like transforming, taking all the interior out. I mean, everything except the driver's seat. Only the driver's seat, and the steering wheel, and the gas and brake pedals. And take all the windows out, put the metal, weld the metal on with them. I want to transform that vehicle. It looks like I'm moving, but I'm not moving type of deal. You know? Oh wow. We need to take a look at this truck. Oh, it's so clean. It's missing a tire. 2 back tires. Okay. Oh. Oh wow. Oh, okay. That's the problem, okay. And it's a V8. Oh, wow. Wow. That truck is clean though. But still, um, I want to. Oh my gosh, let's take a look at this beautiful. I know everyone. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. If that's the. Oh my god, they will have horsepower on that. I really want to save some money and get my card so I can bid on this. If I bid on this, I have to do a lot of stuff. So, um, honestly, what do you think if I bid on these vehicles? I really want to do that, but I'm not. I ain't want to bid on that. So, what do you think if I have enough money to build a gaming? And also, what is my first vehicle if I want to bid on this one? Choose all these vehicles I looked. Put a comment down below. Comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below what you want on this. So, I gotta go. please 50 subscribers. So for the first live stream.